How to automatically zoom in and out in Davinci Resolve. With the blade tool, add a cut to your clip. Then with the selection tool, select the part you want to add zoom to it. Now in the inspector panel, enable dynamic zoom. Under viewer, click on dynamic zoom. Now we can see a green and a red box. Adjust the size of each box. Click on the swap button to swap these green and red boxes. The green box is our initial state, and the red box is the zoomed-in state which we will get at the end of our clip. To smoothen the zoom, set ease to ease in and out. And now we have a smooth zoom in for our first clip. Let's add a smooth zoom out for our second clip. Select the second clip and adjust the green and red boxes to your liking. Because we want to zoom out, make sure that the green box is placed inside the red box. Set ease to ease in and out. And now we have added a smooth zoom out to our second clip as well. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.